I've been involved with the Tibet movement and Students for a Free Tibet for more than 15 years now, from organizing campaigns in Canada and working at SFT HQ in New York City, giving trainings in Germany and India, and even getting arrested in China in 2007 when a group of us unfurled a banner on the Great Wall of China in the lead up to the Beijing Olympics. And after all these experiences, so many Tibetans would come to me and thank me for my support. And in actual fact, it's me who's gained so much from this movement, and in particular from Students for a Free Tibet, from the people I've met, to the skills I've learned, the perspective I've gained. And now I'm at a point in my life where I can give back, and I can give back financially to support the young people giving so much creative energy to this movement and to SFT. So that's why we're joining 108 for Tibet and giving monthly.
And I've been involved with SFT this year actually for 20 years. So like Mel, I've been involved in many different ways. And for me, it's always been SFT's youth leadership program that is so effective, training and activating the youth to be the leaders for Tibet. And you see this through Free Tibet Action Camp, the regional conferences, SFT's intern program, and then you see young people move up and become part of the staff and part of the board. And this training and hands-on experience is what keeps building and making the movement more effective and SFT more effective. And so for us, we're not just joining, we're actually increasing our monthly contribution, because we know at this difficult time when public events are not possible and SFT relies so much on individual donations, we want to make sure that these programs can continue and that SFT can continue to have the impact it has for Tibet. So please join us today and join the 108 for Tibet.